ebusianfo aha Ghana Asem TV GH mesre or like, comment, subscribe, then no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, ebusianfo asofo for Ghana papa, I don't know how you have struggled so much to build the kind of reputation that you have earned now. Yeah, because some of you, we have, even though we were not there then, but we have read, right, about baby Yakupon yi mufre. Some of you we say na anka per history no. Namuye armed robbers, namuye asomdi, namuye thing and all those things. But Yakupon yenim say ofre nipa onye qualified now waye qualified. Ene ya dom no. Enyesa. Sa dom ninti. Ena ene musumo beye nipa titiri ewo society ni mo yesa ntwi de asaba. Right? And sometimes me tina se na me dwun say how is it say nema amafa mu nyina chi no you are allowing NDC or maybe your love for NDC or your love for fame or whatever to just throw away more sacrifices over the years. Yeah, because look, Obi said, Papa, Bishop Duncan Williams say, Archbishop, you are the Abemus, your friend Abemus, the Papa, the Archbishop. For a very long time, about charismatic churches, sir, you've been the only one known as an Archbishop. And indeed, no, most of the other men of God gave you that respect as the Abemus. And yes, sir. And when certain utterances started coming from Papa, the Archbishop, na mpaye bimu and all those who say, I say, at the end, as a particular trend be so, as agenda be was in progress. You should have known, say, people will keep receipts. Because I said, was social media, Ebremu. And anything you do or say, you know, as a receipt there, or there to internet. And once it goes out, you don't have control over it. Because who knew power download it to? Who knew power was store? Or the iCloud man, I say, in storage space VM. Until when the time comes, people will go and dig in. People will go and dig in. And people will hold you by your own words. Sema wa udi wanokano. En nebe snail. Enti ade na mustance. Ana mujinaso. Edi chastise akufuado. Edi kasatia akufuado. Ade na ene asa stance no. Muya samuchi. Ade ntia. That is why people are now calling a whole archbishop say, oh, you're a hypocrite. Me maybe Manuel can say Archbishop Duncan Williams, a hypocrite because they have sat under his ministration before, but now ministration I say. But me beside me say focus asema. Do I have the moral right to tell them say munja asema muka? I don't have the moral right because they are speaking to something that has occurred, which I cannot defend. Oh, so for you. Emi pa say papa mu. You are falling to this. Emi ya. Before then, Moamunim say, me just send me betu money about your studio. Person your movie free. We me single room muna meet you. Me single room. The mpano ani and I made a corner we mo every year we. we juma nkrofo nenam. And sometimes also nkrofo omo around omo so we MPP ni. And it's not really too good. Can say my landlord say to me sorry na or catch me say or NDC ni rent not me too much anyhow because me MPP ni India na media hands we ejuma ni India enti na yesi and akrofo bi so am person be join kana sem no na yem boa MPP right but yeah omut me ba me dem de bia sa right ban sa mini privacy bia
nanom abofo waso ni asase so onim de enti a omoma asofo ni bi associate wo mo ho with mahalaya no nyankopon pese ebrewei o expose asasofo na omo yesebo nanso omo di odwa ho ngoma adura wo mo eho no na nyankopon pese ofa mahama so na o expose wo mo.
That is very true.
And Archbishop Duncan Williams, you are exposed big time. Uye nyatum, uye hypocrite, and also the wada. And Lawrence Tete, uye nyatum, uye evil, you are exposed. And asofwa muma jo Muhammad bubu nkotode na mo de monsa gu no so se afedi ono na nyame ayi no
we ne medopa so many
7th January 2025 Muhammad swear in akuya dear since 1957 ebinsi Ghana da Muhammad penso ebiesi since military regime akuya yenya flight out of formula ewo Ghana ha go and check. But busieni Bible sam ni paponi ni wudini ba ye flight do sign and out of formula do sign kwa nka esa beto form bi ene me nuanam teachers and nurses some George amama humo bread fool some George amama humo samia o say na oye juma ama NDC said the or no ebenya position tie the brofo na some George ekwatwere ye no na nye teachers no mo interest say automatic posting ebeba so enti na some George eye dede no say nye nurses no mo benya juma ye na mo salary ye betum enti na some George oye dede no na nye lanchisha exams no aye betwam enti na some George eye dede no cocoa farmers what some George say na oye juma ediama NDC said the beye na party ni ba power obenya better position na mum enye cocoa price no and be free 3,100 akọ 6,500 and 7,000 inti and na some George eye dede no and na mo brady fool akuya na omanya 21st century any developed country bia based on technology and look at China any other developed countries obia say technology na Ghana nkwa de yesi da bi ye pedokono se dokono bo enyefo enti ebeto aba ama dokono nimdie ene dokono ewo ho a technology ene dokono ho a yesi dokono hwe omaiwe ene koko no wo de wo kan wo se October wo kan wo se November kwa me koko kuani maton me cook since October 2025 up to date. What else in November, October? And you can unye sika entua 2,500 nimpo awati koko bonus so abano. Ba wunya $9,250. Akakra na $10,000, which is equivalent to 1 billion Ghana old cedis. Akuya sika na among formula cedis no. Na me nanana owo dukusan owo pataban owo magida owo etwa aboa owo kotinim nyansa no onti ase $9,250 no. Akuya equivalent to 1 billion old Ghana cedis. And I would the sponsor a nipa baako Kofi Adams. I didn't know I could support Ghana Blasters. meanwhile akua saa sika no fa saa 1 billion old currency no times 800 na akua divide say teacher ni kra no wo de maximum only 3,000 cedis a month for saa sika no I dey sponsor nipa 800 no na number of teachers enka 16 months any and a number of nurses enka 15 months ni akua betime atu omaka akua for saa 1 billion no for times 800 na hwe cocoa bags dodo what the for say cocoa no about 2,500 yadiatum for saa 1 billion no times 800 na hwe cocoa tons dodo akua enka mahama ene atoforsen ene randiabe enka ebetimi ato ene mahu baby a John Mahama ene NDC for Edigana Ababeru Dr. Baomi aka asem bi akua na yana mu rafi o say yento aba ma obi a wo ye accountable because John Mahama akua o ma mesiki re-election biom enti onhia bibi emfree teachers any nurses any Ghanaians eho onhia bibi emfree cocoa farmers na eho eno nti de ope ene dachi said ye be 2029 oko opposition ana oko retirement onko ye homeless biom said ye 2016 oko ye homeless no de bia meka se koko any dede omunya ekobofo ma enti se Mahama ekoto private jet at the end of the day no at the end of 2029 any ebehu the rare owner ana private jet no eye ne dia do Mahama ekodina boko eka kire boko for say oba obe create new region e dia ma boko for akua Nana Akufo-Addo 2016-2017 okaso be create 6 additional regions. Nana Akufo-Addo about 6 months no watimi I create 6 additional regions enne ewo honom John Mahama 1 region pe okaso be create ama the people of Boko bepomcha akua akwakosi say enne asofo na mama John Mahama bu nkotodwe mamode monsa egu ni so no me pamchao LGBTQ+ no must we Assemblies of God ni we elder Assemblies of God of Beni Reverend Wingham wo enene we board chairman e Ghana Immigration Service so for ene wa sori ba no akwakosi say Senegal haya o Burkina Faso haya o ma sign say ye ma be ma nkodi be ma etunumu ye ma oba emfa ne nsan kodwetwe oba atweso nwi yema oba mfa ne nsan ko wo oba atwe ye begina de Bible kan ye se ehyen kwan eda wiem na be ma kwan eda oba ho opura aduane ani abe ase aduane ne akonkode na be ma aduane dentist aduane anso ne akua me de o menu aba eno
chako misraw
wo so e uni aba na ana ade hia enko
sister
ya fa nkutofa ho wodi nkutofa ho ebeko
chako misraw haye kwa
asofo azade mu bedie nti mo ne civil society organization any journalists mo Ghana enne mo da government payroll so enne na nansa mo kwa akohia no mo kwa akode it is alleged say mo kode 200,000 Ghana cedis 2 billion old currency sika nene nansa omukọ sa civil society organization meeting omukọji yere no 200,000 Ghana cedis ege 2 billion old currency 2 billion and omukọji ye the number of CSOs are a meeting no number of asofo a meeting no never tamsi cocoa bags dodo as sika na moko spend here just 2 hours meeting no enka betimi ato na teachers dodo any nurse dodo ka sika no ebetimi atio wo mo eka Mahama no ayese o de Ghana for no to dame o tuatua ne to akua me se me kroma asante atim konogo mini morning show presenter that government payroll so every month be 5,000 Ghana cedis can it sika no 50 million and oje every NDC aban we mu nti say nipa we ebetena sia sebi John Mahama akorepuni ma me kra 5,000 Ghana cedis a month obeden na waka John Mahama sika na asese wodibu oman no wodi bi epe ne daate edi bi etuatua ne to edi bi